welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I'm doing this gold glitter eyes and a matte dark lip. If you're interested in seeing what I use to create this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway on right now, and you only have like 2 more days to enter. It's probably actually 1 more day of me posting this before I actually pick the winner. And then so this is going to be posted I think the 23rd of December, and that giveaway ends, I'm going to pick a winner the 24th and then post the actual giveaway video, and then actually post the giveaway video the 25th. So hurry up and enter that. It is over $300 worth of makeup, but don't you worry if you're watching this a little later. It's not too late. I will have another giveaway going on the 27th. It will be my 2K subscriber giveaway. And that will be posted the 27th. So it will be my next video after the announcement. And that one's actually going to be a little bit bigger. It is 14 makeup items, I believe, and it's over $360 worth of retail value of makeup. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Eden, just to prime my eyes. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild setting powder to set the eyes before going in with my ColourPop, the Zodiac, and Kathleen Lights eyeshadow palette. This is an awesome palette, and the first color I'm going in with is the Taurus color. This is a perfect transition color or a blending color, whatever you want to call it. Perfect. And then I'm going in with the Virgo. It is like a matte brown color, and I'm doing the outside edges mostly, but also going right underneath that Taurus color. Then I'm going in with the Gemini. It's a very beautiful gold shimmer, and I'm putting it on the inner corner of the eye crease thing. I don't know. Then I'm going in with the Virgo color just to make sure those blend out very well together. And then I'm going to use my Flower Beauty eyeliner and make a little bit of a cat eye, not really dramatic though. Then the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and then I'm going to clean up with my Pacifica facial wipes. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and mixing it with my Shea Moisture Moroccan oil. This makes the perfect foundation for me. And I'm blending that out all over my face, and then going in with the Wet n Wild pressed powder, setting it mostly under my eyes, and then I'm just going to use a poofy brush just to set all over the face, because I mostly need it under the eyes because my eyelids kind of get really watery. Then back in with the Zodiac palette in the Virgo color, and now I'm going to use that color to actually do my brows with. And then I'm going back in with the Princess mascara because I got a little bit of that powder all over my lashes. Then I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Kiss Lashes in 03. And I'm going to do a new technique. I'm using the glue on a angled brow brush to put like right above the lashes to set my lashes on. Then back in with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and I'm going to be kind of contouring, but mostly just bronzing up my face. Then back in with the Wet n Wild pressed powder, and I'm going to, I don't know what this method is called, but I'm going to clean up my contour or bronzer. This just makes the look so much better. Then back in with the Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up palette, and I'm using the color Screen Queen Matte, and I'm using my Physicians Formula setting spray, and that's pretty much it. Alright, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this gold glitter eyeshadow and these bold matte lips. And I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies next time. Bye.